Thanks to the progression of Qi wireless charging technology, nowadays users can get rid of the tangle by charging cords and enjoy the convenience and freedom. Charging is always disrupted when you want to check your phone. The concern of overheat could be an issue too. You cannot enjoy your Lightning or Type-C earphone while charging with the wireless charging stand. With the wireless charger seats, you'll be immune to those troubles. Route the charging cord through the bottom. Connect the power cord with your wireless charging pad. Place the charging pad at the appropriate position. Tighten up the screw behind the stand. The tabs allow you to position your phone in the best location for charging. Feel free to use it with your protective case. No hassle with Face ID. Both landscape and portrait mode are supported. Enjoy your music with Lightning and Type-C earphone while charging. The rubber pad protects your charger from scratching. Charging performance will not be compromised. It helps dissipate heat. Slippery-proof rubber feet underneath. Wireless charger seat is compatible with most of the prevailing wireless charging pads available on the market. Even those power banks with wireless charging feature can be held nicely. Wireless charger seat take your wireless charging pad to a higher level.